In this video, I will show you how to fix black screen high contrast on Windows 11. To begin fixing this issue, first locate the Windows icon on your taskbar. Next, look for Settings, which should be represented by a gear icon. Click on it. Once you're in Settings, you'll see several options listed on the left side of the window. Now, find and click on Accessibility from that list. After clicking Accessibility, you'll notice some options appear on the right side of your screen. Look for Contrast Themes. Once you've found it, click on Contrast Themes. You will now see different contrast options available for selection. In this section, there will be a drop-down where you can choose different themes. Here's where we need to make our change. Select None from this list. This action will disable any high contrast settings currently applied. After selecting None, don't forget to hit the Apply button, which is crucial for saving your changes. Once clicked, wait a moment as Windows applies these new settings. And there you have it, your display should return to its normal state without that annoying black screen caused by high contrast mode. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.